Kuruguria wa mutambo wa KIRU utanyite kugacirithia uhuthiri wa thitima uri utari na witangi hari uthii wa macani nire uruguritio githiini gia KIRU kaunti-ini ya MURANG'A. Hindi ya uruguria uyu anyitite matiganite ni magwetete ikinya riri tondu wa guteithiriria ithii gwithemana na uhuthiri moru wa hinya wa thitima uria kaingi ukoretwo kiongerera garama ya guthia macani thiini. Githii giki gia KIRU kiria ni kia mbere kuhuthira mutambo uyu igatanya kunyihia garama iria muthia ihotagiriria ithii muikariri gitishege kirundi akionania mwihoko munene na undu uyu.
We are here today to launch smart energy systems as a pilot scheme. We are within KTDA system and we are happy that this particular system and piloting scheme has been sponsored by the Germans in partnership with the Chinese.
Mutambo uyu gateithiriria hanene kuona urateithiriria kuonia rugamiriria ithii aria hinya wa thitima unginyihio hari uhuthiri na hari ungihorio na kuhuthika riria wagiriire.
It is a pilot scheme in terms of energy savings. And you all know that energy savings is actually money. We spend a lot of money in the energy in terms of withering for our factory. So we are particularly happy that the scheme has been launched.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi gia KTDA Foundation Sudi Matara, uhuthiri wa mutambo uyu ni undu utanyite gutambio nginyagia ithii-ini ingi ica ikuhe wona warikiriria kugerio na guthurimwo.
We are able to manage the cost through energy efficiencies, then that is a gain to the farmer. And secondly, also we are looking at issues of sustainability, emissions, carbon emissions, and one of the things that we are doing as an organization is decarbonizing our operations across the tea value chain.
Uhuthiri wa mutambo uyu no gwetetwo tondu ngitithiriria hanene ari kugacirithia maria maturigiciirie uyu ari umwe wa maundu maria marekirirwo nginyagia ni thirikari nene. Handu-ini ya KAUNTIINI TV retora ko ni Bataru wa Mwangi.